Hi guys, look what I'm doing. I'm chatting with ChatGPT right in WhatsApp. Do you want the same thing? Thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and follow me. All you need, guys, is to create a new contact. You can do it either from the phone application or right in WhatsApp. Let's do it in WhatsApp. Open the app, make sure you are on the Chats tab and tap this plus icon at the bottom right to create a new chat. Tap New Contact, give this contact a name. Any name, you can call it Susan if it makes you happy, but let me call it just ChatGPT. Now here, select the +1 country code. You can select any country, you just need +1, so Samoa is okay. Now enter this very phone number, 800-2428-478. Save the contact, tap on the search icon and search for your contact name now. Here we are chatting with ChatGPT. Let's say hello. You need to wait for some time. This is the AI, it needs to think some. Hi there, how's it going? It can respond even to images. Let's send an image. This corgi is seriously too cute. So guys, this version is pretty cool. Now you have the powerful pocket assistant right in WhatsApp. However, it's pretty limited. For example, you don't have a chance to get your text read aloud unless you're using the accessibility features, or it can't read and respond to some types of files like PDF, TXT and so on. But this is still cool, powerful thing for quick questions, for calculations and whatever ChatGPT can do. If this was helpful, subscribe to Guide Mentory for more tips and life hacks. Be awesome, have a good day, goodbye.